Okay, Assalamualaikum. So I hope you already understand how actually you can evaluate Postfix application Postfix expiration using stack. So in this video, I would like to show you the pseudocode of Postfix calculator. So using the algorithm that we have discussed, so we can come out with this pseudocode. Okay, first you have to initialize an empty stack. Okay, so meaning that you have either to have initialize an empty array or an empty linked list. Okay, so then we have to read the expression entered by user. So this for this instruction, maybe you have to see in and user have to enter expression that he want to evaluate. So for each symbol in the expression, so you have to read the expression one by one. So, then you have to do the following. So for each of the symbol in the expression, you have to check whether the symbol is number. So if the symbol is number, then you have to push symbol onto the stack. Okay, so we have done this in the previous video. So if a symbol is plus, minus, asterisk and division, okay, this one is operators. So you have to pop the stack twice and evaluate expression. Okay, you have to pop the number in the stack, and then you have to do the operation. Okay, and the result that you get, you have to push back, evaluate the operation, and push the result onto the stack. So but you also need to check whether the stack has less than 2 elements, because if the stack have less than 2 elements, okay, for example, if right now your stack only have 2, okay, let's say you have this expression, okay, 2 and then okay, and then asterisk, okay, and then 3. Okay, so if you are doing the 3, okay, so imagine that you have this expression and you want to do the stack algorithm of evaluating postfix. Then the first one, you have to push 2 onto the stack because 2 is an operand. And then after that, you meet with operator. Okay, operator is multiplication. Okay, so if you meet an operator, you have to pop the stack twice. But the problem is that you only have one element in the stack. So if you encounter such a situation, you have to tell user that she or he have entered the wrong postfix expression. It's an error, because if we were to do the operation, we have to have at least 2 elements in the stack. Okay, if we have less than 2, then it's something wrong with the expression entered by user. Okay, so you have to check, okay, whether the stack has less than 2 elements, and you have to tell user it's an error. Okay, if symbol is equal to, so you have to say that the expression is n. Okay, if the expression n, you have to pop. Okay, just bila kita dah habis dah, there will be only one element in the stack, and you have to print the element that you pop from the stack as the answer. If stack has more than one element, then you have to tell user the expression is wrong, it's an error. If symbol, if anything else, okay, if not a number, if it's not an operator, then you have to tell user that expression contain illegal operator. Okay, this is an example of illegal operator. Maybe you will encounter a semicolon. Okay, so you don't have enough operands, or you have two element when we encounter equal sign. So this is the error that you need to take care of when you are coding for the C++ program. Okay, that's all for the postfix calculator pseudocode. Hopefully, by using the pseudocode, you can write some coding.